Yes. So kids, now we are going to start our germination activity. So before starting the activity, what is germination? What do you mean by germination? Germination is planting a plant or a tree, plantation. Yes. So why it is important? Yes, as we all know, planting a tree, plantation is very important for us as it is known as the life support system of human beings and animals. आपको पता है ना कि we all depends on plants in some or the other way, as we are depend on plants for food we eat, for oxygen, for air we breathe, and many other things, and for rain as well, because the trees attracts the rain. So plantation is very important. Planting a tree, a plant is very much important. If we plant a tree, will contribute in keeping the natural balance of our environment. अगर हम एक ट्री प्लांट करते हैं, एक प्लांट लगाते हैं, तो we are contributing in keeping our environment clean and green. Okay, so come on, let's start the activity. So first, you all have to get one big disposable glass. Keep it in front of you. Yes. Now, get one needle. Okay, so हमको यहाँ पर होल करने हैं छोटे. We have to prick it. We have to make the holes here. Only 2-3 holes. Okay. For what we are making holes? For the plant to grow properly. उसको air मिलनी चाहिए. It needs air properly. So we are going to make some holes here so that जो air का circulation है वो freely होता रहे. All right. So make some holes. 2-3 holes only you need. Come on. With the help of your mama, under the supervision of your mama, you can do. Okay. Make some holes, because as like us, same like us, the plants also need air to grow. है ना, जैसे हमें air की जरूरत है, in the same way plants also need air to grow. So for the proper circulation of air, we are making some holes, and one is here on also. All right. Chalo. Now, the second step is you have to take the soil. Now, with the help of spoon, pour some soil inside the glass. Come on. So, from soil, the plants get nutrients, as food and air is necessary for us to grow. In the same way, soil, air, and sunlight is necessary for plants to grow. It is the food of plant. It provides nutrients. Okay? Up to here, only half glass you have to fill. Yes, very nice. Good. Okay, then take some seeds. Look, you have to take the seeds and pour it. 4 or 5 seeds at least. Okay? Tap it. Yes, well done. Very good. Now, after pouring the seeds inside it, now you have to pour some soil over the seeds to cover it. Okay, come on. Yes, you have to cover the seeds with the soil again. Okay. You have to cover the seeds with the soil again. Okay. Now, after it, the most important thing, water. As I told you, like us, like human beings, plants also need food and water. So at the end, we have to pour some water. Okay. Look. Now, your plant will grow in some days, but it also needs proper care to grow, like you. So you have to keep your glass in proper sunlight, air, and you have to give proper water, regular water in your plant. Okay? Like you, your plant also needs water, air, sunlight to grow. Okay? Now keep this glass in the place where the plant gets the sunlight, proper air. Okay, and you have to give the water it regularly. All right. Now, one important thing, mothers. One important thing, you have to click the pictures of this activity, germination activity, and then send it on WhatsApp. Okay, we are going to upload the pictures on FB, and if it is possible, then kindly make them wear the uniform while clicking the pictures. Okay. All right, kids. Now take care of it, proper care of it. Keep it in sunlight and give regular water. Yes. All right, Rakshansh. Water it regularly. Okay. Then show me after a week. All right. Okay, kids. Open page number 33. In your numeracy skill book, you have to open page number 3333. Yes, Abhyan, that's a good thing. आपने अपना mouth cover करा ना with the hand. That's a good thing. Good. Your numeracy skill book, page number 3333. So I am writing the page number and the book name in the chat box. Okay. In case of any doubt, you kindly see there. Yes, Jasdeep, you want to say something? Jasdeep? Write in the chat box if you want to say. Your numeracy skill book, page number. Your numeracy skill book and page number 33. Okay, so as you can see here, we have to write down number names here. So वहां पर जो प्रिंट में लिखा है उसमें आपको नहीं करना है. You have to write in cursive. All right, जो tracing part है, you leave that part. Ma'am, today you have to send after the class. So leave the tracing part. We are going to write the number names in cursive letters only. ठीक है? चलो, we'll start now. Yes. So kids, first of all, what you have to do? You tell me. क्या करेंगे सबसे पहले हम? First of all, we are going to write down the date on the left corner. 6/8/2021. ओके चलो स्टार्ट करें. लेट्स स्टार्ट. रेडी आप लोग सब? यू हैव रिटन द डेट. हैव यू रिटन द डेट ऑन द पेज? ओके सो किड्स से एंड राइट. बोलना है आपको. पहले हम सब पढ़ेंगे. we all are going to read the spelling first, then write it. ठीक है kids? As I told you every time earlier also, and I used to say every time, that reading is very important. Whatever you are writing now, or whether it is maths, English, Hindi, anything, you have to read the sentence, the word, the spelling first, and then only you have to write it in the book or in the copy. ठीक है? So यहाँ पर भी हम ऐसे ही करेंगे. We all are going to read the number names first and then write it in your book. The first one is 2121. So 21. First of all, we have to write down the spelling of 20. So what's the spelling of 20? What is the spelling of 20? T W E N T Y. 20. What's the spelling of 20? T W E N T Y. 20. Page number 33. Shreyash, got the page? Okay. 20. T W E N T Y. 20. Okay. अब 20 के बाद क्या है? 21. So after writing the spelling of 20, we have to write the spelling of 1. 21. T W E N T Y. 20 and O N E 1. 21. Leave the tracing part and उसके आगे आपको लिखना है. Say and write. The next one. 22. The same thing we have to do. First of all, we have to write down the heading, spelling of 20 and then the spelling of 2. So it becomes 22. Okay? So again, the spelling of 20. T W E N T Y. 20. First of all, you have to write down the spelling of 20. T W E N T Y. 20. And after 20, you have to write down the spelling of 2. TWO2. Okay. Now, next. 23. Just Okay, now next 23. So again we have to do the same thing. Write down the spelling of 20 first, and then afterwards write down the spelling of 3. So what's the spelling of 20? T W E N T Y 20, and T H R E 3 23. Say and write. I'm looking at each one of you. आपको read करना है, then लिखना है. And write down neatly in a good handwriting. Okay? Advika, where are you, beta? You are not visible to me. Okay. Goransh, you too. I request you parents, kindly adjust the screen in the way that I can see the child. And Swasti, मैम ने आपको बताया है ना, do not lean on the copy. झुकना नहीं है. Ma'am, give her a pillow. Give her a pillow. Do not lean on the copy. चलो. Yes, just keep it on your lap. और उसके ऊपर कॉपी रखो बेटा. It will affect our eyes. अगर हम कॉपी में झुक कर लिखेंगे तो. चलो. Next, 24, 24. Start करें. What's the spelling of 20? T W E N T Y 20. 20 and 4. F O U R 4. 24. Then after 24, 25. So now do you all understand कि हमें क्या करना है? First of all, we have to write down the spelling of 20. So what's the spelling of 20? T W E N T Y 20, and the spelling of 5. So what's the spelling of 5? F-I-V-E 5. Is it visible? 25. Done? Can I erase this 21 and 22 as I do not have the space here? (26) 26, 26. Chalo. Now, spelling of 20 and 6. T W E N T Y. 20 and the spelling of 6. SIX 6. Write down neatly. $26. The next one, 27. So again, the spelling of 20, T W E N T Y, 20. And the spelling of 7, SEVEN, 7, 27. $27. TWENTY, 20, and SEVEN, 7. Now the next one is 28. So write down the spelling of 28, 20 again. TWENT and Y. 20. And the spelling of 8. EIGHT. 8. 28. First of all, write down the spelling of 20 and the spelling of 8. Okay. Those who have completed, you just wait. After 28, 29. So the spelling of 20 again, TWENTY, 20, and 9. The spelling of 9, NINE, 9. And 30, 30. So again हम 20 की spelling लिखेंगे. No. Now it's 30. So we have to write down the spelling of 30. So th कैसे बनता है? हाँ, we have learned ना digraph. SH, CH, and कौन से 2 letters को मिलाकर हम th बनाएंगे? Which 2 letters we add together to make th? Yes, TH. So TH, th, IRTY, 30. THIRTY, 30. THIRTY, 30. Then